Wadhwani Advantage program is a truly uniquely designed program that blends learning, education, empowerment, and consulting. We want to focus on the entrepreneurs at small and medium-sized enterprises. We want to empower them with the capabilities that maximize their business growth potential.
Presenting the Wadhwani Advantage Business Discovery Tool with automated logic. This is an Excel-based tool built with over 300 human years of subject matter experience and market tested with SMEs. A tool you can use on your own. It is rigorous, yet easy to use. It informs you if data validates what you know. It also informs you what you do not know and builds insights to benchmarking with the best in the industry.
The business discovery tool has been developed through extensive market research, document reviews, and interviews with industry experts. The industry-specific tool includes KPIs relevant to that particular industry.
The discovery tool defines transformation agenda, like prioritizing problems to be solved based on the impact on revenue and profitability. It sets specific data-based, measurable goals for performance improvement with the Wadhwani Index Score. It helps you manage short-term issues and building long-term competitiveness.
The goal is to help SMEs exploit the full value of their business data.
The tool captures historical business data over last few quarters, which helps in data-led, sound business forecasting. After a holistic review of 35 critical KPIs like revenue, market share, material cost, sales, etc. The Wadhwani Advantage app provides instant access to personalized, action-oriented content and connects.
I'm using a Wadhwani Foundation app and financial toolkit. I'm using this inventory toolkit. Now I'm well informed about my business. I can take decisions very easily.
The growth discovery assessment is facilitated by 10 rigorous logical consistency tests.
It helps SMEs with a comprehensive assessment of the business, which is based on data and not opinion-led.
The tool generates a discovery report for each KPI, which identifies problem areas to be worked upon closely with the respective teams in the business house for setting a directional path and strategy for transformation and growth.
I really like the solution kits that Wadhwani Advantage has in terms of its templates.
The tool lists the possible quantitative and qualitative benefits at the end of the transformation. Our transformation charter is driven by carefully curated expert advisors, coaches, and consultants using an AI-enabled mobile and web technology platform. We clearly outline the areas for improvement and create a roadmap for necessary interventions.
We have a massive response and appreciation coming from SMEs. Would you want to be a part of it?
We empower businesses and their teams to learn and grow. To know more, visit the Wadhwani Advantage website.